3 years ago, we began a journey to live a life in perfect harmony with nature. A life caring for animals, planting trees, and nurturing the earth. It's funny because in this time, nature has taught us that perfect harmony isn't really attainable. We've learnt that things will be messy, unpredictable, and sometimes it'll all feel like too much. But nature has taught us the most, that the beauty will always outweigh the hard. We grew up in these mountains, watching the seasons change in the rainforest.